The market futures are punching down, and so too MSTR, down as you can see 10.43%, but has just held on to this that loss of 10.5% or thereabout. So the indication is that weakness is going to continue. This is a 1 minute chart. Not that it's going to be of much use to you, but it's good to see what's projected. The sort of higher prices that are projected, regardless. 263.84. We had 266.37. I think this is 260. Okay, we have here 265.73. These dots may be indicating pivots, and that is it was validated. It had a pivot at a rejection at 266, and the algos are printing it again that it may occur, and it didn't occur, but upper projection here we have not in play 267.39, 267.99. So let's have a look at maybe the 5 minute chart and see what we have. Yeah, on the 5 minute chart, strength is expected to come back in. Yeah, in a few minutes, it's supposed to. That is expected to be the case, but it's a 5 minute chart. That may not be the case by the time you are. That mean things would have changed by the time you're watching it. So we have 260.03 as a downward projection. Let's have a look at the 45 minute chart and see. Here, weakness is projected. Yeah, up till just for this trading session. That's today, the 7th of April. A couple of projections. We have a downward projection here. These ones are really important, especially the down ones, because we know the broader market is selling off. 258.63, upper projection 269.55. Yeah, I know some might think Bitcoin is safe. It's not. It's not safe at all. Everything's going down. Everything's going to be affected. Even if Bitcoin is going to be safe, MSTR is not going to be. It's not going to be spared. So in the midst of all of these, we have a bottom being projected for. It's going to come in by Thursday, the 10th of April, and will continue remain like that up till Monday the 14th. So from Thursday to Monday, we might get a bottom. We might get a consolidation for MSTR, and just on the hourly, in the 4 hourly basis, and after that we might get a bounce, and up till Wednesday, the 16th of April. But no guarantee that that will happen. If not, the likelihood of these happening, of it printing 251.39 is there, and even 224.27. So let's have a look at the daily chart and see what's going on. On the daily chart, what do we have? We have a couple of projections here. Weakness is expected to remain in place up to Tuesday, the 6th of May. So within all of those things, the daily chart is indicating that we're going to see some weakness, even though on the hourly chart there's some projections going on there. So just within a session, things might happen. So there might be opportunities to trade, but this is currently, there isn't really anything good to buy. A lot of things tradable, but not to invest. Just if you're in MSTR to invest, this may not be the best time. If you're in it to trade, take advantage of opportunities that might arise and you're confident about. Yeah, things, opportunities like that are likely to come up. We have projections here. Let's see. We have this downward projection of 198.89, 220, and 254.14. Upper projections 320.53. Any chance that will be the case? 354.54. 375.154. Okay, it's the fact that it has still been reiterated as of Friday, the 4th of April, is pretty much okay. Pretty much okay. Yeah. So there's a validation of this upper projection being going by the price pressure momentum. This measures the angle of attack of the 10-day moving average, or indeed any other moving average, as the case may be. But in this case, it is the 10-day moving average. It's just measures how steep or how inclined that moving average is. So as things stand right now, it's just showing that momentum has tapered somewhat. It has decelerated somewhat, and is expected to continue to decelerate. And maybe afterwards, when maybe it might begin to pick up again. Yeah. Let's see now. Let's have a look at the weekly chart and see what we are facing. Okay, this is the weekly chart for MSTR. Let's see now. We have projections. We have 146 downward projection and 47.8. Yeah, so everything is seriously net bearish on the in terms of projections on MSTR on this weekly chart. So what do we have? Okay, yeah, okay. So we have the projection is that weakness, the 10-week moving average will continue to decline up till Monday, the 21st of April, and then after that, it might begin to find some strength, and then spike all the way towards September. By September, maybe things might improve. Things might improve. Yeah, maybe. And then that's also been validated by the 21 period moving average. So fingers crossed. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen. But in a very short time, it's not time to invest in MSTR. Forget about what you think about Bitcoin and all that stuff. Bitcoin is showing downward projections as well. If you want to trade, yeah, maybe there might be trading opportunities. Let's see what's going on now. Is getting this is a little bit since that time. So let's see now. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Yeah. This is the weekly chart for Bitcoin. Okay, we could just quickly have a look and see what's being projected here. 78,290 is upper projection that is in play at the moment. Outside that, weakness is expected to remain in place up till 30th of June on this weekly chart. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see. Okay, daily chart, we have weakness as well. No, nothing, no, just a couple, that's some support at some point, some consolidation at some point, and after that, it will continue to plunge down. We have, let's see, there's regardless, it's still maintaining, not really maintaining upper projections, but yeah, okay, yeah, well, I guess it's still maintaining them. We have 90, I think this is 93,555, 132,000. 104,033 in upper projections. Yeah, but regardless, don't bank on that. Don't bank on that. So yeah, pretty much we expected a decline on Bitcoin regardless. So see what you make of MSTR stock and indeed Bitcoin. And thank you very much for watching this video.